In this video, you'll learn how to successfully sell a course on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to prepare your course content, create an effective listing, and provide access to your buyers efficiently. Start by organizing your course materials, which may include video lessons, documents, or presentations. It is essential that your content is clear and well structured to ensure that learners can follow the lessons easily. You might consider combining these materials into a downloadable package or providing detailed instructions on how to access them. Preparing professional course content not only enhances the value of your product, but also ensures that it offers useful knowledge or skills to your customers. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for a successful listing. Next, log into your eBay account. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create a new product listing. Click on it to begin. For the title of your listing, write a clear and concise description that accurately reflects the subject of your course. In the description section, detail the topics covered in the course and specify who the course is designed for. Consider adding images or preview screenshots that highlight what buyers will receive. Setting a price that appropriately reflects the quality and length of your training is vital, as a clear and detailed listing helps potential buyers understand the value of your course. After creating your listing, you will need to provide course access to your buyers once they complete their purchase. This may involve sending them a download link or login details for an external learning platform where your course materials are hosted. Ensure that the buyer receives clear and concise guidance on how to access the content. Promptly respond to any questions they may have regarding course delivery. Providing good support not only improves customer satisfaction, but also enhances your feedback ratings, as proper communication fosters trust with your buyers. Keep in mind that large files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Before you start the listing process, check your available storage on eBay and ensure that your files meet their upload requirements. If you are working with video files, consider compressing them to reduce the file size, which can make the upload process quicker and easier for you and your buyers. That wraps up today's guide on selling a course on eBay. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.